The Bundle of Sticks. Once upon a time, there lived an old man in a small village. He had 3 sons, but his sons always fought with each other. They never agreed on anything. The old man was very worried. One day, he thought of a plan. He called his sons and gave them a bundle of sticks. He said, "Try to break this bundle." Each son tried hard, but no one could break the bundle. Then the old man untied the bundle and gave 1 stick to each son. He said, "Now try." This time, each son broke his stick easily. The old man smiled and said, "My dear sons, when the sticks are together, no one can break them, but alone they are weak. If you stay united, nobody can harm you. If you keep fighting, anyone can defeat you." The sons understood the lesson. From that day, they promised to live together in peace.